You don't need 21 days to change your life. You don't need 90. You don't even need a week. You need one day, one bold decision, one honest moment where you stop making excuses and finally face yourself. The truth? You're not lacking time. You're lacking truth. So here it is, a 24-hour reset. Not motivation, not hype, a system, a personal war against the version of you that keeps settling. Let's begin. Step 1, total isolation. Choose one day, just one. Turn off your phone. No notifications, no social media, no scrolling, no messages, no distractions, just you. Most people aren't lost. They're overstimulated. Their minds are crowded. Their thoughts are buried under noise. You can't hear your purpose when your brain never gets silence. If you can't spend a single day alone with your thoughts, it's not boredom you're afraid of. It's honesty. Silence reveals everything. Step 2, the mirror confrontation. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes. No music, no affirmations, no distractions. 5 minutes. Ask yourself one question. Who am I pretending to be? And don't rush the answer. You'll feel discomfort. That tight feeling in your chest, that's awareness. That's the real you pushing through the performance. You've been acting strong, acting busy, acting fine. Today, you stop acting. Step 3, break the old identity. Get a notebook. Write down the habits destroying your potential, the environments draining your energy, the lies you tell to stay comfortable or accepted. Be ruthless. Be specific. Then destroy the page. Rip it up. Tear it apart. Throw it away. Writing creates awareness. Destroying it creates commitment. That version of you, it doesn't get another chance. Step 4, the warrior hour. Set a timer for 60 minutes. Divide it into 3 parts. First 20 minutes, move, push your body, run, do push-ups, take a cold shower, break a sweat. Remind yourself you are not weak. Next 20 minutes, empty your mind. Write everything you're thinking and feeling. No structure, no editing. Let the chaos spill out. Final 20 minutes, sit in silence. No music, no phone. Just breathe, just exist. You'll notice something shift. Control, presence, power. That's what happens when you stop escaping yourself. Step 5, the 9 p.m. commitment. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror again. This time, no questions, just say, thank you for showing up. Not for being perfect, not for achieving everything, just for showing up fully. Most people never give themselves one full day of complete honesty and effort. One day without running, without hiding, without numbing. But you did. You're not broken, you're buried. Under comfort, fear, distraction, and noise. And one focused, honest, intense day can shift your entire direction. Not because you became someone new, but because you finally stopped pretending. If this speaks to you, don't just scroll past it. Act. Start your reset. Win the day.